Welcome back to Desta's Home Living. So today I want us to make these coated peanuts or groundnuts, and they're easy to make with very few ingredients. So let's get started. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. So here are the ingredients. We have 2 cups of peanuts or groundnuts. I have washed and dried them. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of pepper. These are 2 eggs. I also put in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. And we also need a teaspoon of baking powder, so that they come out crunchy. Basically, this is all what we need. So we start by preparing our coat. Into the 2 eggs, you're going to beat in the baking powder. And as you whisk, don't be worried that it's not dissolving. It's going to dissolve when you finally put in sugar and the salt. So after about a minute of beating, now everything seems well combined and our coating is ready. So I'm going to put this aside and combine the flour and the pepper just a little bit before we now start coating our groundnuts. Into the groundnuts, we're going to pour in little by little mixture of the egg and sugar, up until you see every groundnut is well coated with the egg mixture. So finally, we're going to put in flour little by little and swirl around so that we don't remove the coatings. Gently swirl around just like that so that we make sure that everything is well combined and every groundnut is well coated. So if you see that there are parts that they have clustered together, that's when now you add some flour for more coating, and then later we'll remove the excess flour. So now our nuts are well coated and I'm satisfied with the coating. It's thick enough and I like it this way. So my oil is already hot, medium hot, and I'm going to toss them into the oil. But before that, we need to remove the excess flour that's at the base of the dish. So this is the excess flour that we didn't want, and our nuts are ready for frying. So make sure that your oil is not too hot. Fry this under medium heat oil. So when they just start turning golden brown, remove them out of the oil and put them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Our nuts are ready and cool. They have attained a very beautiful color and they are very crunchy too. So as always, you may add in any other ingredient, like any other spice on the flour, and alter the amounts as you like. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much as always for watching my videos, and see you in my next video. Bye.